Welcome to the world of clinical embryology, where science meets the miracle of life. Our comprehensive curriculum covers everything from the basics of embryology to advanced assisted reproductive technologies. Here, you'll receive hands-on training with state-of-the-art equipment, ensuring you're well prepared for a career in this cutting-edge field. Our experienced faculty are dedicated to your success, offering personalized support and mentorship throughout your journey. State-of-the-art facilities, access to modern laboratories and cutting-edge technology. Certification. Earn a recognized diploma from a reputed institution. Collaborate with Bharathiar University. Career opportunities. Prepare for a successful career in fertility clinics, research institutes, and academic settings. For admission, call 98411-65197 90031 11598. Join us and be part of the future of reproductive medicine.